gas up lang, mabilis. I think Nick is already here sa Coffee Beans. As usual, late na naman si Julio. Guys, complete. So, pairing lang ng cardo and then we're gonna go to Malapigo, do some fishing. Very excited.
Ano lakas ng loob na mag-fishing? Wala naman alam yata itong mga to.
So I'm right-handed, so it's so you want it on the right. You're gonna hold the rod with your left. This one will go. See the hole here? Like that, just so you look for the opening.
That's his favorite part of the gear, the rod. Is your rod long? Is it girthy? Huh?
So this is gonna hold the line in. When you open it, you cast, and then you close it to reel in. So when it's like this, your line is loose. When it's like this, you can pull your line in.
Jepoy, can you explain what you're doing in English, please? In English.
That's what the pen is for.
Yeah.
Wow, expert. It's like you're very familiar with that motion, no? So kain muna kami, just in case wala kaming mahuli. Hindi ako tiwala kay Jepoy eh.
Parang naingitan mo ako.
Look at that view. Okay, so nandito na kami sa Lupo, dito sa rock formation. So we plan to catch fish here. Ayan, sabi ni Nick, pinakamagandang spots to catch fish are under logs or under rocks. Pag dun sa resort sa shoreline, wala raw mahuhuli doon. So hopefully may mahuli kami dito para may pang lunch kami.
So pre-wheeling itong ilalim, gaganto mo. Kabilaan niya mag-swing, pero pagka ano, higid lang yung puro pa
Paano lang?
ano lang.
Oh, kukunin ko to.
Tapos yagis mo yung sing.
Tapos
balik.
ganun.